Let's look at how to create a quiz in Google Forms. Whether you're creating a quiz for employees, students, or customers, Google Forms quizzes are a great way to test people's knowledge and retention of information. Step 1. Go to Google Forms. Step 2. From the top of the page, choose to start a new blank form. Step 3. Give your quiz a title and description. Step 4. Click the Settings button. Step 5. Under Quizzes, turn on the Make this a quiz switch. Step 6. Start adding questions to your quiz. For each question, select the question type and enter the question text. For multiple choice and checkbox questions, enter the answer choices. For fill in the blank and essay questions, enter the correct answer or instructions for the responders. To specify the correct answer, assign points, or provide feedback, click the Answer Key button. Step 7. Once you have finished adding questions to your quiz, click the Send button to share your quiz with others. You can distribute the quiz by email or a URL link. Or you can copy the HTML code and embed it on a website. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Google Workspace productivity tips or visit workspacetips.io.